everyone, it's Happy Mail Queen again. I'm back to share with you the other part of my haul. And on my last haul I showed you guys this Hobby Lobby, this die that I got through Amazon. And I said that it coordinated with the other two dies, and I did pull those out. So let me just show you guys. So this is the Linda Canasi other dies that I picked up. This one I picked up from Hobby Lobby, and they're $9.99. I don't know if they're carrying it now because I got this a while back, but they make these Polaroid cutouts, and then you can interchange the words because it has different words on the bottom. And it comes with 12 dies altogether. So there are some of the words here that is not even on here. But this is a great one to get. And yeah, so I guess you can use this. It's part of her line. So yeah, it will fit. Like, of course, a Polaroid you can use to embellish your mini album. And then here was the other one that also can be used to embellish the mini album. And this one is the paper clippables. And again, she does have a video on this, so I'm sure you can find it on YouTube. But I did see the video when I was on Amazon. They had a clip of it. But yeah, these are the dies. So I can't wait to play with this, and I'll share that with you guys when I do. So I'm super excited to, you know, have bought those. And then, so I was at Tuesday morning because I was at work on Wednesday. And I just found a few things. I'm slowly collecting for a summer project, and I saw these. They were $1.49. They're white seashells from Tuesday morning, and I just love the colors. Like, they have a little bit of green on them. I'm sure they probably colored these shells, but you get plenty there, and I do like the smaller ones. And these are great for shadow boxes, you know, anything like that, because they're very dimensional. So definitely I want to play with those. I did get this unicorn, what do you call it, stamp. And this one, oh, I took out the, oh, hold on, here's the sticker. I took it off. This one says, believe in yourself, and it's 1939347. If you can see that. And it's really cute, $3.99, and I love it. So I got that. I got the Sticky Thumb adhesive runner, which is only $1.49. I should have grabbed another one, but the ATG gun is sometimes too hard for my daughter to use, so although she can handle it, but it's a bit bulky, so I got another one of these because I always run out of these. I found this Project Life embossing folder, and there's two embossing folders in there, so essentially they're $1 each, and I just love this camera one. So as you can see there, it's a pretty good size. And so this would be perfect for a travel, you know, for a travel project that I hopefully can get to by this summer. I also got this Mementa travel dies. They're die word travel, it says on there. 1955073, and it has these words: travel, explore, and discover. So I thought that would be really nice to use for a travel project. I did see Erica haul this, and I did find it, so I went ahead and picked it up. The SKU number on this one is 1955072, and I just like that. I think I have something similar to this though, but I really bought it, truly I bought it for the open hearts right here. I really like that. And so for $3.99, that was pretty good. And then I did find a couple of Bo Bunny layered chipboard that I hadn't seen before, and this is I don't know what the collection is, but it says Weekend on it. So I don't know if that's the actual collection name. Oh, Weekend Adventures. Oh, Weekend Adventures. Oh, so does this coordinate with the bear one? Maybe. But anyway, I thought it was, you know, so cute because it's kind of carnival-like and summer. So I thought it was super cute. So I got it, and I got another one for my Bo Bunny buddy. So Tara, if you're watching, one of these is yours because I always think of you whenever I see something cute, you know, that is Bo Bunny. So that will be going in your package. So I think that's all I got from Tuesday morning. And then on my way home, I was looking at my emails and realized that there was a 60% off JOANN's coupon, which said, you know, today only, and which was not even correct because that was yesterday. And today I got another 60% off coupon, which ends on the 21st. So come on, JOANN's. Really? I rushed over there thinking, oh my gosh, I need to get that unicorn paper. So yes, I had to find that unicorn paper because I missed out on it. I couldn't get away to go to JOANN's. There's a JOANN's that's close enough to me, but it's a bit like in a different direction that I hardly ever go that way. So it's harder for me to get to there, and they can't allow they don't allow my dog there. So anyway, I missed out on the big, you know, the big sale, the 50% off, and then 20% on top of that. So yeah, but I've been seeing some of your hauls and I had to grab it, you guys. So here's the unicorn and rainbows. So I think I have time to go through it. So yes, the unicorns and rainbows, you get 10 sheets with gold glitter. I love it. So let's go through it because, to tell you the truth, I have not really seen the inside yet. I just opened it already. So beautiful. So you do get these cut aparts. Let me just go here. Oh gosh. Okay, let me see if I can move it. So let me move my camera a little bit down maybe. Now, is that catching everything? I hope so. So you get 2 of these, which are cut apart. Looks like it's great for pocket letters. This die cut shapes, and this is not double-sided but super cute. I'm glad they didn't make this double-sided because that would have been difficult. So you have these. And I picked this up. I almost forgot to show this. So you have the unicorn by Sparkle and Company, and there is the SKU number if you want to look. And you get these. You get these. You get these. Oh my gosh, it's my favorite. Super cute. Really, really good quality. These. And the rainbow. So I love it. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.